This is the story of a revolution. A food revolution that rises up against unsustainable ways. A story of less waste, new systems, healthier people, happier communities, and radical change. But most importantly, you. It's Revolutionists. We want the most ambitious, sustainability-minded 15 to 18-year-olds in Ireland to create a pioneering youth board and ambitiously rethink how we provide for our communities, our country, and beyond. Empowering the next generation of food sustainability experts. We're writing the recipe for a more sustainable future. As Dublin's urban farm and most sustainable restaurant, our unique home is our inspiration for change. Airfield is an active catalyst, feeding real transformation on a mission to make Dublin a world-leading sustainable food city with your help. Join Ireland's new food revolutionists. Apply to the Airfield Youth Board via airfield.ie.